the services we offer in Plymouth, Minnesota are siding, windows, roofing, and deck replacement. We've worked in Plymouth for many years. We have hundreds of projects in Plymouth. Plymouth has a lot of cedar siding that needs to be replaced. They also have a lot of woods surrounding some of the homes and nature areas, and so woodpeckers are a big problem in Plymouth, and we've been able to solve quite a few of those problems for our homeowner. So when we first get a call into our office and you're looking for an estimate, you'll be scheduled to meet with one of our project consultants. Our project consultants come out and do a meeting, a site analysis, make sure that they have all the information that they need, that they'll talk about some design aspects with you, what you're looking to accomplish from the project, and then once they have all of their information, they'll come back and work on the estimate. When they come out the first time, they'll also give you a list of references, some literature on the products that you're interested in. Once they come back with the estimate, they'll go through the full proposal and present pricing. We do a lot of menu style pricing where you can see what each thing costs and then pick your project based on your budget, based on the things that you're looking to accomplish. And so at that time, those prices would be presented, and then if you decided to move forward, we'd go to contract, get the contract done with all the specific things that we're going to be doing on your project, and then there'll be a meeting with your project manager who will go through all of those details, make sure that everything's the way that you had intended, and then the guys will come out to do your project. Typical siding job lasts 2 to 3 weeks. Roof replacement, usually 1 to 2 days. Window replacement, up to a week, depending on the size of the project. And so we'd schedule all those different projects, and then at the end issue all the warranties and things that are specific for your project. Some of the consequences of not hiring a professional is that the products could be improperly installed. There's a lot of different manufacturer-specific installation instructions with each of the products that we do, siding, roofing, and windows, that you want to make sure that the warranties that the manufacturers have in place are going to be honored because the products were done right. And if it's a do-it-yourself, or if it's somebody that that has installed windows before or installed siding before, sometimes they don't stay as sharp as a professional contractor that does that all the time. So you really want to ensure that the money you're spending on the premium products transfers into a professional install, look good, that you're going to have somebody to come back to if there is anything that is done that needs to be fixed, and that your warranties are in place. So the difference between Craftsman's Choice and other home improvement companies is we've been around since 1998. We're installer-based, installer-focused. We've all been installers, been out there on the wall. We know how to do the siding, the windows, the roofing, and so we've been able to hire those installers that we know aren't just getting it done the cheapest. We know that the quality is there, and so one of the other things that makes Craftsman's Choice different is our service and our attention to detail. We take care of our customers long after the projects have been finished.